folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Serbia at the Guca factory, and I want to show you guys this model here. We have been having a major problem getting soapstone, not just with Guca, but literally every single supplier. And I want to show you guys what our option is going to be. This is the new model here shown with cast iron side panels, okay? So instead of stone, these are full cast iron panels. They're going to be available in black, which is shown here, and they are also available in a gray color. Now again, these are full cast iron, so they are going to give you the same benefit that we sell the soapstone for. So we sell soapstone because it has that heat retention between the stove being cast iron itself along with the side panels. You are still going to get that same heat retention out of the cast iron panels. So if we have soapstone shortages, this is what's going to be coming on our container. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys. Here you guys can see the gray cast iron panels. This would also be the other option for our soapstone replacement. I think that this looks really nice. It's kind of like a silvery color. Looks very beautiful.